Red Cat Holdings, RCAT, is under the spotlight after a short report from Fuzzy Panda Research surfaced, triggering intense debate in the investor community. The report, which questions certain aspects of the company's operations and financial health, has become a central talking point, especially in light of Red Cat's weaker than expected Q2 earnings. Bulls and bears are clashing over the credibility of the report's claims, some dismissing it as opportunistic short selling, while others see it as a red flag that could weigh on the stock in the short term. The company's latest financials showed sales plunging 50% year over year to $3.2 million for the quarter, ended June 30th. This steep drop was accompanied by a widened net loss of $13.3 million, or 15 cents per share, compared with a loss of $8.2 million, 11 cents per share, the previous year. Notably, operating expenses more than doubled, driven primarily by sharp increases in research and development and general and administrative spending, a sign that the company is investing heavily in its growth and technology capabilities, but at the cost of near-term profitability. Against this backdrop, the upcoming town hall meeting is drawing significant attention. Investors are hoping management will address the allegations from Fuzzy Panda Research head on, provide clarity on its strategic roadmap, and deliver updates on key government and commercial drone contracts. Many see this event as a critical moment that could either restore confidence or deepen concerns depending on how transparent and forward-looking management is. Despite the recent sell-off, some traders are speculating on the potential for a short squeeze, given that bearish sentiment and short interest may now be elevated. They argue that any unexpectedly positive news, such as new contract wins, strong guidance, or a robust defense of the company's fundamentals, could trigger rapid upward momentum. As a Puerto Rico-based defense and commercial robotics firm, Red Cat sits in a sector with strong long-term tailwinds, especially as demand for advanced unmanned aerial systems grows. The question now is whether the company can weather near-term turbulence, prove the skeptics wrong, and position itself as a leading US-based drone solutions provider in a competitive market.
Okay, so the stock is down 8.8%. You heard all that that was said there in that readout. So let's go down to its daily chart to see what's going on. Okay, so weakness is expected to remain in place up till Friday the 29th. And then after that, we might get a what looks like is a bounce, but it may be rejected, and then further declines may result thereafter. So this is an extrapolation that's going all the way towards the next 1 month. The next month, the likelihood of this panning out is like this is not very high. And in terms of projections, the stock is at 8.56 now. We have further downward projections 2.35, 8.3.53, 5.43, and then indeed upper projections 13.91, 16.25, 17.69. In terms of selling pressure, what do we have? Or price pressure momentums. Okay, the only thing negative here, the only thing severely negative is the 21-day moving average. Outside that, the 10-day moving average is still in trend mode. It's either the selling pressure, the buying pressure was very high on the 10-day moving average, and given the weakness we are looking at right now, it hasn't eroded it out, eroded the trend mode in it. It hasn't. It's still in trend mode. Trend mode is from 0.25. So given this weakness, the stock is still, the 10-day moving average is still in trend mode. However, the 21-day moving average has since decayed into severely bearish territory. Okay, so let's just quickly glance at the 4-hour chart. It might be totally different because it just gives us a microscopic or a magnified view of the end of the daily chart. So things may be magnified here. Let's see. We'll begin with the price pressure momentums. Everything is severely bearish apart from the 21 period moving average, which has a robust support. It's either indicating that okay, we have a bounce here. Yeah, we can see Intraday though, it's not printed here, so we have a bounce here. Maybe that's why we have a robust second derivative on its 21 period moving average. It's either indicating that the bounce is going to play out or has found a bounce, or that weakness is not going to continue. We can clearly see here as well the extrapolations that the bounce is going to play out, and as a matter of fact, remain strong up till Monday the 25th. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. There's no guarantee that this bounce will be the case. In terms of projections, what do we have? We have 8.74. It's a downward projection. No, it's an upper projection. 8.31, 8.05. Those are downward projections. We've seen higher price projections, $16 up to $16. We saw that on the daily chart. So, uh, yeah, just see what you make of what's going on with RCAT, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.